this video we're going to look at emergency lighting. Now in this case we've got a fitting, the cirrus range 600 by 600 square. If we go in and enter that fitting, we can see that it's a 4-tube fitting, and if we go to the output, that's the output of the lamp. It's all 4 lamps are putting out 4,800 lumens. Now if you want to have a situation where this lamp is also used for an emergency application, but only one lamp is active, we need to take a copy of this fitting and change some of the parameters. So to copy the fitting, what we would do is highlight the fitting. We already have a fitting copied here. We would use the copy button. We would then go to the copied fitting and then change the reference so we can identify it in the program as being emergency. In this case, it's putting the emergency suffix on the description. We then change the number of lamps and tubes to 1. We then change the operation to normal and emergency. Now on the output section, if a ballast lumen factor requirement of 10%, so if it's 10% output, we would then enter 480 lumens. So it's 10% output, 480 lumens, as opposed to the full output of 4,800 lumens. And this is how dedicated emergency fittings are set up as well. They will have their output set up in lumens and emergency conditions. When in the lighting program and the emergency option is selected, immediately there is no interreflection, there is no reflectance from the walls, ceilings and floors, and the working plane is all set to 0. So it's the emergency option that invokes the fitting. You would then in the lighting program select the fitting in the space you want to be to emergency, toggle to the emergency equivalent, and that would then use the one fitting in the room with the one lamp giving the required output.